In the last two videos, I have given introduction about and also I have discussed about sentence and clauses. So today I am going to extend my discussion to the clauses, main clause, dependent clause, and how this dependent clause or subordinate clause, what are the types of subordinate clause, how they function in the sentences, that I will discuss today. So pay attention. So this is the boy who stood first. So this is the boy is the main clause. Okay, this is the boy is the main clause, and who stood first is the dependent or subordinate clause. Okay, so dependent or subordinate clause. So the diagram, just take a notice, then you will understand. Clause, main clause, subordinate clause or dependent clause, and these can be divided into noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. So clause can be divided into two parts, main clause and subordinate clause. These subordinate clause have three types of clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Okay, at first I am going to discuss noun clauses. A noun clause acts like a noun. So it usually starts with that, what, how. Functions, it can come as a subject of a verb. Subject, noun clause can be used as a subject of a verb. Like, what I want is a drink. Here, what I want is the noun clause. That he liked proves two. So, that he liked is the subordinate noun clause. Who telephoned me is a mystery. It is here. Who telephoned me is the subordinate noun clause here. Now, noun clause can come as the object of a verb. Object of a verb, after the object means after the verb, it can come like, what you mean here is a subordinate noun clause. They tell me where he lives. After tell, it has come, so subordinate noun clause, where he lives. And she said that she did it. That she did it is the, after the verb it has come, so it is a subordinate noun clause. It can come as the object of a preposition. Object of a preposition means after the preposition. Like, she was angry at what he said. Here, what he said is the subordinate noun clause and it has come after the preposition at. Means preposition is taking this as the object, what he said. Then there is no meaning in what he says after the preposition what he says. So what is his says is the subordinate noun clause. It depends on how he works. So after the preposition on it has come, and how he works is the subordinate noun clause. After the verb be means am, is, are, or was, were. And these type of verbs, after the verbs like am, is, are, was, were, noun clause comes to complete the meaning. Okay. Now life is what he said. What he said is the subordinate noun clause. That is what he said What he said is the subordinate noun clause. Life is what we make it is the subordinate noun clause. And question is how he did it. How he did it is the subordinate noun clause. After some adjectives after some adjectives, noun clause comes. Adjectives like certain, true, satisfied, glad, strange, evident. After this type of adjectives, noun clause usually comes. I am glad that he enjoyed my program. That he enjoyed my program is the subordinate noun clause. She is sure that he will that she will get a job. So that she will get a job is the subordinate noun clause.
No.
So noun clause can come after some nouns. So after some nouns, noun clause usually comes to just complete the meaning of those nouns. Like the news. Here news is the noun. After the noun, it has come that he failed, shocked her. Then there is a rumor that he got a lottery. The saying that power corrupts is true. So that power corrupts, that he got a lottery, that he failed. These are all noun clauses. So after it, mainly it can come also after it. Depend on it, I will help you. So after the verb, after the pronoun it has come like that. Is you have to understand this word. Depend on it that I will help you. Or see to it that he cannot escape. That he cannot escape is the subordinate noun clause. So that I will help you, and that he cannot escape are the subordinate noun clauses. Okay. So let me do some examples. We did not know what time it was. So here we did not know is main clause, and what time it was is dependent clause or subordinate noun clause. Okay, so here we did not know here is the main clause, and what time it was has become the subordinate noun clause. With my neighbor.